Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In this tutorial you are going to learn about the input function in Python. So, let's understand it practically. Open up your PyCharm and create a new Python file in your project. I am naming it as getting input. You can name it whatever you want. Press enter. Our Python file is now created. Before running any code, let's configure it by pressing Ctrl+Shift+F10 on a Windows computer. It's now configured, we can now run any code into this Python file. There is a built-in function called input. In Python, we use input function to take input from the user. We type it like this. Under the parenthesis, type anything in between the double quotes, like, what is your name, favorite color, etc. And at last put a white space. You will see why I've typed a space at last when I run the code. This input function will print a message that we have typed in the double quotes. And then, it will wait for the user to enter a value. Whatever the user enters, this input function will return it. In this, we are asking the user for his or her name. So, we are going to store it in a variable called name. Let's see what it's going to return. As you can see, it's asking for our name. I am typing my name, you can type yours. You can see it's returning my name. Now let's add a string to our name. Add a white space at the end, because we have used the plus operator instead of comma operator. Comma operator automatically adds a space. Now, let's run our code. Here you can use the comma operator also. Now, let's run our code. Let's type our name. As you can see, a message is printed. Let's make a new variable as favorite fruit. Ask the user for his or her favorite fruit. Print the name variable first, then add a string as likes, and also add a white space at the beginning and at the end. At last, type the favorite fruit variable. Let's run our code. Let's type our name. And my favorite fruit is mango. As you can see, name variable is printed first, then the string value which is likes, and at last the favorite fruit variable. Now, let's type the favorite fruit variable at the beginning and the name variable at the end. My name. Then my favorite fruit. As you can see, a funny message is printed. Now let's change the positions of both the variables. It does not matter if you ask for the favorite fruit first. Let's run it. As you can see, it's asking for the favorite fruit first. Because Python codes get executed line by line, we have typed the favorite fruit variable first, that's why it's asking for the favorite fruit first. As you can see, the same message is printed. If we want to use a comma operator, we don't have to put white spaces. Let's run our program again. You don't have to memorize anything from this tutorial. Just practice. Let's add an exclamation mark at the end. As you can see, it's now looking good. So, that's how we use the input function in Python. Again, I am telling, don't memorize anything, just practice. This is all for today's video, guys. I hope you've learned how to use the input function. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. And don't forget to share this video to your friends and relatives so they can also learn coding for free without wasting money in universities and colleges. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Love you guys, thanks for watching.